Are you wondering how long it will take to get your home sold? According to Redfin, the average days on market is 32 days. Is that true? Well, I would say that my opinion is that, homes can actually sell instantly. It's all going to depend on the property that you're selling, and it's going to depend on these three things. It's going to depend on condition, accessibility, and it's also going to depend on pricing. Today, I'm going to break down each of these factors and explain so that you can understand and you can leverage them so you can sell your home faster. The first point I want to make is condition. You can't obviously control your location, but the condition of your home is going to stand out when you do the work. When you think about entering the market, you want to make sure the little minor things are done so that when a buyer does walk through your home, it stands out and the buyer is in a position to make an offer quickly and is not concerned about any additional repairs they're not seeing. The second point I want to make is accessibility. A lot of people who are selling the home, I understand you have kids, I understand that you are working sometimes from home, and that sometimes it's a bit of a nuisance when buyers want to come in at any time to view your home. What I would say is that when buyers are making decisions, they make them quickly, and in order for us to get a quick sale on your home, you want to make sure that your home is accessible at all times that are available. The final point I want to make is pricing. Pricing your property is really the first piece of marketing the property. Make sure you are working with an agent that can help you identify similar homes to yours in the areas that have sold so that you can price your home correctly so that when a buyer is looking for it, there is a demand for it because we already know what buyers are paying for a property like yours. Hopefully these tips will help you get your home sold quickly. As always, if we can help you with a home consultation, please reach out to us. I look forward to hearing from you soon, and thank you for watching.